I'm super, 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 super excited. Super, super excited. Yes, I am. Listen for the good news I'm sharing with you guys. Today is with great excitement that I share my joy with you. I am delighted to let you know that for a second year, my son has awarded Best Teacher at London School of Economics in London, where he's a doctoral student. I can't tell you how proud I am of this young man. Wherever he goes, he's like a beacon, always shining his light. Not talking, but you can see the light in this young man and knows what he's about without speaking. That's who my son is. He's very humble. As the message reads from the student, Vashon is an engaging and inspiring teacher who creates an atmosphere in which students feel comfortable, voicing diverse opinions without losing sight of overreaching academics questions. Student report. He contribute greatly to their understanding of the materials. One student said, "People like him are why I wanted to come to London School of Economics. Isn't that amazing?" Then the teacher's response. The school responded, "Dear Vashon, London School of Economics Teacher Awards 2024 to 2025. I am delighted to let you know that you have been selected by your head of department as highly commended for the London School of Economics Class Teacher Awards 2024. God, the day you made this young man, you had an amazing job for him to do. He was born a leader. He showcased his leadership skills time after time. And I can say this, he's very humble. If he comes into the room, he will not tell you that he's a journalist. He will not tell you that he teaches journalism at Oxford University. He will not tell you that he's a sociology teacher at London School of Economics. He will not tell you he's a doctoral student. If he comes into the room, he comes as a simple human being just like you and I. He's not going to tell you that he has degrees. He's not going to tell you that he's awarding journalists. He's not going to tell you he's a top class journalist. He is humble. He comes in a room with a crowd. He will mix with the crowd. Be at your level. He's not going to be above your level. That's who my son is. He comes to my house. He spent 1 month. We laugh. We cook. We give jokes. We take pictures. I take him shopping. I take him out. He just be himself. He's not going to be who he's not. And he don't like people disrespecting people. He don't like to see when people is being demeaned by person who are at the head and feel that because you're at the tail, they're to walk on you. He's not that type of person. He will understand every line of communication you put in front of him, and he will tell you, no, this is not right. This is not acceptable. This one is unacceptable. That's who he is. For example, sometime I will say, Vashon, what do you think about this? And he said that, Mom, you know that you're right. You know that. And another time he said, Mommy, that one is wrong. You know that, that is wrong. He's that type of person. And from a child growing up, I always admire him. And growing up, I told him, Vashon, you're going to be on the TV, reading the news, like reading the weather like Roy Forrester. In my mind, that's who I saw him to be. Little did I know I was speaking it into being. He started excelling from all-age school to high school. Excel, excellence, awards, trophies, NCU, Dean's List, and London School of Economics with distinctions. And then went back to London School of Economics, where he's teaching, and he's a doctoral student. Last year, the student voted for him to be the best teacher. This year, they voted again, best teacher. My son believes that every student should afford a good education, no matter your background, no matter where you come from, no matter if you're poor or you're rich. Everybody should be treated equally, and that's his belief. He also knows struggle, because he sees his mother struggles to send him to university, and his mother always wants to see the best, not only in him, in all children. Whenever my son walks in a room, he's like a light bulb just turn on. He won't speak. He will say I. But something in him just light up the whole place. He don't have to speak. Although he's a journalist, he's not a blabber. He's not a person who come and talk. He's more mild, quiet, on the quiet side. But if you speak and involve him in the conversation, he will speak. But he knows when to speak and when not to speak. He's a good listener. He reads the room and observe a lot and take notes. He knows that his mother will always be there for him. His mother loves him. And a lot of times, I'm the first person to get any news, any sharing, any briefing. I'm the first person in the family to get it. And I always say that a mother's love will never change. A mother will not grow out of motherhood. A mother will always be there to stand with her child and her children. And that's me. So, he's doing well. He loves family and siblings. And he loves shopping. Whenever he want to come to New York, he said, Mommy, I'm coming to New York. Because him know mother go take him shopping. Just tell me say I come. Yeah. Vashan and I are tight like that. Yes. So sometimes a little jealousy creeps in with the other siblings. And they accuse me of many things that I don't even know about. Which some I'm guilty of. But sometimes you just have to be the person in the Malcolm in the middle. And that's me. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope this video be an inspiration to someone today. Please like, please subscribe, and don't forget to share with someone else. Thank you.